How do you satisfy yourself?
How do you deal with your youngsters?
How do you bat under pressure?
How do you work?
How do you resolve your problem?
How do you watch movies?
How do you control your anger?
How do you perform in the class?
We are moving to the second way. You are ready for that?
Yes, sir.
How do you drive the car?
I drive the car according to the rules.
Very good. How? According to. So the next way is according to. It's okay. Please, the question.
How do you recite the Quran?
Very good.
I recite the Quran according to Arabic grammar.
Excellent. You recite the Holy Quran according to Arabic grammar. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The second way. I recite the Holy Quran according to Arabic grammar, according to Arabic
accent,
according to Arabic manner. Which manner? According to Arabic manner. Funds clear?
Yes, sir.
Ji.
How do you satisfy yourself?
Very good. How do you satisfy yourself?
I satisfy myself according to the environment.
Excellent. How does he satisfy himself?
He satisfy himself according to the environment.
Ji.
How do you order the book?
Very good. How do you order the books?
I order the book according to the instructions given in the form.
Excellent. You order the books according to the instructions.
Yes, sir.
According to the instructions given in the form.
Yes, sir.
Given on the website.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Given in the manual. Or you order books according to your requirement.
Yes, sir.
According to your need.
Yes, sir.
According to your level of understanding. According to your caliber. According to your beliefs. Please.
How do you swim?
How do you swim? Excellent.
I swim according to the speed of water.
Excellent. You swim according to the speed of the water.
I swim according to the instructions by the swimmer.
Swimming coach. I swim according to the instructions of my swimming coach.
How do you deal with your youngsters?
Very good.
I deal with the youngsters according to their caliber.
Excellent. According to their caliber, according to their approach,
Yes,
according to their mind, according to their mindset,
Yes, sir.
according to their family background,
Yes, sir.
according to their age. Very good. Ji beta.
How do you bat under pressure?
Very good. How do you bat under pressure?
I bat under pressure according to
Required runs. I bat under pressure according to the required runs, according to the requirement of the team.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
According to the nature of the ball.
According to the team planning.
Very good. According to the team planning. Very good. Question, please.
How do you work?
Very good. How do you work?
I work according to the conditions.
Very good. According to the rules of the organization.
Yes, sir.
According to your pay, no?
Yes, sir.
According to the nature of the job.
Yes, sir.
Funds clear?
Yes, sir.
How do you satisfy the people?
How do you satisfy the people?
I satisfy the people according to my mind.
Excellent. According to your mind or according to their mind?
According to my mind.
How do you understand the lesson?
Very good. How do you understand the lesson?
I understand the lesson according to my skills.
Very good. You understand the lesson according to your skills.
Yes.
According to your potential.
According to my standard of understanding.
Excellent. Now, according to your level of understanding. According to your thinking abilities.
Yes,
now.
sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
According to the pattern of your exams, your test.
Yes, sir.
Please, whose turn now? Over. This was the second way to respond to the how question. We are moving to the third one. The third way of responding to the how question. Ready?
Yes, sir.
The third one is